Did you know that over 50% of Canadian seniors are unaware of upcoming laws that could change their lives in 2026? Imagine waking up to discover that your health care, retirement benefits, and even your housing situation could be drastically different, whether you're ready for it or not. What if the government is quietly passing new laws that could either improve your quality of life or make things more difficult for you without your knowledge? In this video, we'll reveal 10 major laws coming in 2026 that could reshape your everyday experience as a senior. From healthcare access to new pension benefits, these changes are bigger than you think. The government is making moves right now, and you don't want to be left behind. Stay tuned as we uncover the laws that could have a massive impact on your life and find out how to make sure you're ready to take advantage of these game-changing shifts. Number 1. Increased accessibility to healthcare. In 2026, one of the biggest changes that will affect Canadian seniors is the increased accessibility to healthcare. With rising healthcare costs and an aging population, the government is introducing new programs to make sure seniors have better access to both preventative care and home health services. These programs are designed to keep you healthier for longer, focusing not just on treatment, but also on avoiding illness before it starts. You'll have easier access to specialist consultations, screenings, and wellness checkups, all aimed at maintaining your health as you age. What's more, these changes are not just about adding more services. They're about making it easier for you to access them. Imagine having more options for in-home care with trained professionals who can help with everything from managing chronic conditions to offering companionship. The government's goal is to help seniors live independently in their own homes without the constant stress of hospital visits or long waiting times for care. Research has shown that seniors who can access these services early on experience better health outcomes and often delay the need for long-term care facilities. So, how can this benefit you directly? If you're a senior, this is the perfect time to check your healthcare coverage. Make sure you're aware of the new services and how they can fit into your daily routine. Talk to your healthcare provider about whether you qualify for home care services or if you can schedule important preventive screenings that might have been out of reach before. Taking action now will ensure you don't miss out on the healthcare revolution that's coming your way in 2026. It's not just about treatment anymore. It's about giving you the tools to live a longer, healthier life at home. Number 2. The new Seniors Housing Tax Credit. In 2026, Canadian seniors will benefit from a groundbreaking new Seniors Housing Tax Credit designed to ease the financial burden of housing costs. This new law offers seniors substantial tax breaks for things like home renovations, assisted living expenses, and even the cost of moving to more suitable accommodations. Whether you need to make your home more accessible, modify it for safety reasons, or move into a senior-friendly residence, this tax credit could save you a significant amount of money. For seniors on fixed incomes, this could be a game changer, providing the financial flexibility to stay in comfortable and safe living spaces. The importance of this tax credit cannot be overstated. Many seniors face the challenge of maintaining a home or finding appropriate housing as they age, especially if their health needs change or they need assistance with daily activities. With the introduction of this credit, seniors will have access to financial support for modifications that could make their homes more accessible, including features like wheelchair ramps, wider doorways, or safer bathrooms. Not only does this credit help with the costs of aging in place, but it also opens doors for more seniors to find and afford the right kind of living environment for their needs. If you're a senior or helping care for one, it's crucial to be aware of the eligibility requirements for this new tax benefit. Consider speaking with a tax professional or financial advisor to learn how you can take full advantage of these housing-related deductions. Planning ahead can ensure that you make the most of this valuable opportunity, whether you're renovating your current home or considering a move to a more senior-friendly living arrangement. The Seniors Housing Tax Credit is just one of the many laws designed to give you the peace of mind and financial support you deserve as you age. Number 3. Pension Reform for Better Benefits. In 2026, Canadian seniors will see an important overhaul of the country's pension system, bringing with it increased pension payouts and greater financial security. As the cost of living rises and more Canadians enter retirement, the government is introducing reforms to ensure that seniors receive the support they need to live comfortably. The changes aim to provide a more stable and reliable income for those relying on government pensions, helping them better manage expenses especially as healthcare and living costs continue to climb. This pension reform will directly impact the lives of millions of seniors, ensuring that they have more financial independence as they age. One of the most significant changes is the increase in monthly pension amounts, which will help seniors maintain a decent standard of living. Studies have shown that financial insecurity is one of the leading causes of stress and anxiety among older adults. With these changes, the government aims to reduce that burden, allowing seniors to enjoy a higher quality of life without worrying constantly about making ends meet. To make sure you're benefiting from the new pension reform, it's essential to check your pension plan and stay updated on any changes. For some seniors, these adjustments could mean a significant increase in monthly payouts, providing more breathing room in their budgets. Whether you're already retired or planning for retirement in the near future, understanding how this reform affects your pension can be a crucial step toward achieving financial stability. Don't wait. Now's the time to review your pension plan and talk to a financial advisor to see how these changes will benefit you. With these reforms in place, seniors will have a better chance of enjoying their retirement years with the peace of mind they deserve. Number 4. Expanded elder abuse protection laws. One of the most important changes coming in 2026 is the expanded elder abuse protection laws. For too long, many seniors have faced neglect, physical harm, and financial exploitation without sufficient legal safeguards. In response to growing concerns about elder abuse, the Canadian government is tightening laws and improving support systems to better protect vulnerable older adults. The new legislation will make it easier to report and prosecute cases of abuse, offering stronger penalties and more comprehensive support for victims. The new laws are designed to create a safer environment for seniors, whether they live independently, with family, or in care facilities. Authorities will have more resources to monitor elder abuse cases, and there will be greater accountability for caregivers and institutions responsible for seniors' well-being. Experts agree that elder abuse is often underreported, with many seniors too afraid or embarrassed to speak up. With these legal reforms, seniors and their families will have more tools at their disposal to prevent and address abuse swiftly and effectively. If you or a loved one is facing any form of abuse, these laws are designed to offer not just legal protection, but also psychological and emotional support. It's crucial for seniors to stay informed about their rights under this new legislation and to seek help if they ever feel unsafe. Many resources, including support groups and advocacy organizations, will be more accessible as part of this initiative. By understanding the expanded protection laws, seniors and their families can feel more empowered and secure, knowing that there are stronger safeguards in place to prevent elder abuse and provide justice when it occurs. Stay informed and reach out for help if needed. These new laws are there to protect you. Number 5. Universal long-term care insurance. In 2026, Canada will roll out universal long-term care insurance for seniors, a significant step toward easing the financial burden of long-term care. With more seniors requiring assistance as they age, the cost of nursing homes, assisted living facilities, and in-home care has been steadily increasing. This new law aims to ensure that all seniors have access to affordable long-term care without the fear of depleting their savings or burdening their families. By introducing universal coverage, the government is addressing the financial challenges that many face when it comes to securing necessary care in later years. The universal long-term care insurance will cover a broad range of services, including nursing care, personal assistance, and rehabilitation. These services will be available whether you choose to stay in your own home, move into an assisted living facility, or require a nursing home. This law will also ensure that the care provided is of a high standard, with strict regulations in place to guarantee quality. Studies show that early intervention and access to proper long-term care not only improve physical health but also support mental and emotional well-being, which can significantly reduce hospitalizations and emergency room visits. To take full advantage of this insurance, seniors will need to understand the eligibility criteria and how to enroll. It's important to stay informed about what services will be covered and how the insurance will be applied to your specific needs. Whether you're planning for the future or are already in need of care, this insurance will provide the security and peace of mind that comes with knowing you can afford the help you need. Don't wait. Now is the time to learn about this valuable resource and how it can support you or your loved ones in the years ahead. If you're finding this information helpful, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. We put a lot of effort into making these videos, so your support means the world to us. Hit that subscribe button. It's just one click and helps us keep bringing you valuable content. Number 6. Medical assistance in dying expansion. In 2026, Canada is expanding its medical assistance in dying MAID laws to include more seniors facing chronic, debilitating conditions. While the topic remains sensitive, this expansion allows older adults who are suffering from incurable illnesses to make the choice about how they want to end their lives with dignity. This law provides an option for those whose pain or suffering cannot be alleviated by other means. The new regulations are intended to give seniors more control over their end-of-life decisions while ensuring that the process is handled with the utmost care and respect. The expansion of MAID has raised questions and concerns, but it also highlights an important shift toward autonomy and dignity for seniors. Under the new law, patients will have access to a more comprehensive evaluation process, ensuring that they fully understand their options and that their decision is made with informed consent. By making these decisions legally supported, the government is providing a compassionate response to those whose quality of life has dramatically declined. Studies have shown that when people are given the choice to control their end-of-life process, they often experience less anxiety and better mental health in their final days. If this is something you or a loved one may consider, it is essential to fully understand the legal process and the requirements for eligibility. Medical professionals, along with family members, are encouraged to have open and honest conversations about end-of-life care, ensuring that any decision made is in line with the person's wishes. These changes in MAID laws provide a level of peace of mind, knowing that seniors who are suffering have the legal support to make the decision that is best for them. While it's a deeply personal choice, the 2026 expansion reflects a shift toward respecting the autonomy of seniors in their final stages of life. Number 7. Senior volunteer programs. In 2026, new legislation will significantly expand volunteer opportunities for seniors across Canada, offering both personal satisfaction and financial benefits. This law encourages seniors to stay active and engaged in their communities by providing financial stipends, tax deductions, and other incentives for those who choose to volunteer. The aim is to recognize the value of seniors' contributions while also helping them stay mentally and physically active. By encouraging volunteerism, the government is also promoting social connections, reducing isolation, and improving overall well-being for older adults. Research consistently shows that seniors who engage in social activities like volunteering experience numerous health benefits. These include lower levels of stress, improved cognitive function, and a decreased risk of depression. Volunteering also fosters a sense of purpose, helping seniors maintain a connection to their community and feel valued. By participating in these programs, seniors can boost their self-esteem, contribute to causes they care about, and even form new friendships. Volunteering is a powerful way to stay active, both mentally and physically, while enhancing the quality of life for older adults. To take advantage of these new volunteer programs, seniors will need to explore available opportunities in their local communities. Whether it's helping at a food bank, assisting in local schools, or providing mentorship, there are a wide range of options to match every interest and skill set. In addition to the satisfaction of giving back, these programs come with financial incentives that can make volunteering a rewarding experience on multiple levels. If you're a senior looking for ways to stay active and engaged, these volunteer opportunities are a perfect way to enhance your life while contributing to the well-being of others. Number 8. Senior-friendly public transportation. In 2026, Canada will implement sweeping changes to public transportation for seniors, making it more accessible, affordable, and senior-friendly than ever before. The new laws will ensure that seniors have access to discounted or even free transportation in many regions, a crucial change for those who rely on public transit for daily activities like medical appointments, social engagements, and grocery shopping. This expansion is aimed at ensuring that seniors remain independent and connected to their communities, regardless of their ability to drive or afford transportation. One of the key benefits of this new law is the enhanced accessibility of public transit. Seniors will see improvements in the design of buses, trains, and other transit options, with features like lowered steps, wider doors, and priority seating. These changes are specifically tailored to the needs of older adults, allowing for easier mobility and reducing the physical strain that can come with using public transportation. Additionally, more transit routes will be designed to better serve areas with higher populations of seniors, making it easier to get to key locations like healthcare centers, shopping districts, and recreational areas. For seniors who depend on public transit to maintain their independence, these changes will provide a much-needed boost. Not only will they save money through discounted fares or free rides, but they will also have greater mobility and freedom to live life on their terms. To take full advantage of this new benefit, seniors should stay informed about how to access these discounts or free services in their area and make sure they are aware of any eligibility requirements. This is a significant step toward making aging in place more feasible and allowing seniors to live more independently without the worry of transportation barriers. Number 9. Changes to estate taxation. In 2026, one of the most impactful changes for Canadian seniors will be the overhaul of estate taxation laws. For many seniors, passing on assets to loved ones can be a complex and costly process, often involving high taxes that can diminish the value of the estate. The new changes aim to simplify the estate distribution process and reduce the financial burden on seniors and their families. Under the revised laws, there will be lower estate taxes for certain types of assets, ensuring that more of your wealth can be passed on to your heirs without the heavy taxation that previously applied. The new estate tax rules are designed to make the transition smoother for families, allowing seniors to plan their estates more efficiently. With clearer guidelines and less red tape, seniors can ensure that their wishes are carried out as intended, without the worry of their estate being heavily taxed or tangled in bureaucratic delays. This change is particularly important for seniors who have worked hard to accumulate savings or property over the years and want to leave a legacy for their children or grandchildren. The simplification of these laws will not only ease the burden on families but also help preserve wealth across generations. To fully benefit from these changes, it's essential for seniors to review and update their estate plans. Working with a lawyer or financial advisor to ensure that their wills and other documents are in line with the new estate tax laws will help avoid unnecessary complications down the road. Taking the time to understand how these changes will impact your specific situation can help seniors feel more confident about their financial future and the well-being of their loved ones. These revisions in estate taxation are a powerful tool that can provide peace of mind and financial security for seniors and their families as they plan for the future. Number 10. Increased mental health support. In 2026, the Canadian government will dramatically increase mental health support for seniors, recognizing the growing need for these services in an aging population. With more seniors facing challenges such as isolation, depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline, this new initiative aims to provide better access to therapy, counseling, and support networks. The law will make mental health services more accessible and affordable, ensuring that older adults receive the psychological care they need to maintain their overall well-being. The government is not only expanding access to these services but also improving their quality, ensuring that seniors have the best support available. This move is essential because mental health is often overlooked in older adults, despite its profound impact on quality of life. Research shows that untreated mental health issues can lead to a decline in physical health, reduced mobility, and even increased mortality rates. By providing better access to mental health professionals and resources, seniors will have a much better chance of managing emotional and psychological stress. This change will also focus on preventative care, helping seniors recognize the signs of mental health struggles before they become overwhelming, ultimately leading to a healthier and more fulfilling life. To make the most of these new resources, seniors should take the initiative to learn about available mental health programs and support networks. Whether through community centers, online platforms, or healthcare providers, there will be more opportunities than ever to access counseling and therapy. Engaging with these resources can help seniors address feelings of loneliness, anxiety, and depression, allowing them to continue living with a sense of purpose and clarity. These changes in mental health support are designed to empower seniors to take charge of their emotional and psychological well-being, ensuring they can live their later years with confidence and peace of mind. As we've seen today, the new laws coming into effect in 2026 will undoubtedly have a significant impact on the lives of Canadian seniors. From expanded healthcare access to increased pension benefits, enhanced legal protections, and financial support for housing and long-term care, these changes are designed to offer more security, independence, and peace of mind for seniors across the country. With these reforms, the government is not just addressing the challenges that seniors face, but also empowering them to live healthier, more fulfilling lives as they age. It's important to stay informed and proactive in order to take full advantage of these changes. Whether it's understanding new healthcare options, adjusting to tax credits, or exploring mental health support, being aware of your rights and benefits ensures that you're not left behind. Make sure to consult with healthcare providers, financial advisors, and legal experts to make the most of the resources available to you. The future is full of opportunities for seniors to thrive, and these new laws are there to support that journey. So, as we approach 2026, let's take charge of the changes coming our way and embrace the opportunities they present. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation. Your feedback is important to us, and we love hearing how these changes might affect your life. If you appreciate the effort we put into creating these videos, please subscribe to our channel. It's just one click, and it helps us continue bringing you valuable content that matters. Thank you for your support. Together, we can make the most of the exciting changes ahead.